In this video, I'll show you how to create an Airtable form. First, go to the Airtable website and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one and open the base where you want to create the form. Next, select the table where you want the form responses to be stored. After that, click the plus icon to add a new view and choose Form from the available options. Now, Airtable will automatically generate a form based on the fields in your table. Next, customize the form by adding, removing, or rearranging fields. You can also edit field names and add descriptions to help people fill out the form correctly. After that, review the form's settings and make any additional changes you need. Now, click Preview to test the form and make sure everything works as expected. Next, click Share Form to generate a shareable link. Finally, copy the form link and send it to your customers, team members, or anyone you want to collect information from. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create an Airtable form. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.